What? What are you doing out there? By the time she comes in, her puppies are going to be eating a frosty smoothie instead of milk. And the water dish is somewhere down there in that hole. What do you think, Halo? This is almost as good as water. It's frozen water. Lisa's got a snowball. Hey, Bliss. Lindy. Piggy poo poo. Kina bean. Go play. Oh, Halo, look at your face. Halo doesn't care if it's wet water or frozen water. She likes it. Go play. There's Amelia. Hey, Amelia. Here, I'll get you another ball. Here, Halo. Ready? Go get it. Find it? I don't think I threw it that far. If you sink, I'm not going to come get you. I think she's still looking for the ball. Just make believe you found it. Come back. What's everybody else doing here? Go away, all yous. Go play. Find it, Halo? No, huh?